18 minutes after 11 right now. Let's check in with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith. We really do have a beautiful day ahead, but enjoy it while you can.
Yeah, kind of the good and the bad of spring, Megan, over the next couple of days. Today is the good. That's the view of the Way 31 Skycam network. We've got blue skies, plenty of sunshine, some of those thin clouds around, that's all. Temperatures already climbing up to 70 degrees here in Huntsville, out in the Shoals too. Just a tick cooler in Guntersville where it's 68, but we'll continue to warm things up very quickly as the rest of the afternoon goes on. The early warning radar network is nice and quiet. We stay dry all day, and really most of the daytime hours on Friday will also stay dry. For today in particular, our high temperatures, the warmest we've seen in about a month. Back at the end of February, we were in the 80s. We'll do it again in the end of March. 81 is that forecast high today, and it'll still be mild for any Thursday night plans you might have, dropping into the 70s after sunset. Here comes the bad of spring, though. Late tomorrow night into Saturday morning, severe weather is becoming more and more likely, I'm afraid. The timing is still the same, 9 o'clock Friday night through 6 a.m. Saturday. Anywhere in that time span, we'll have that chance for severe storms in North Alabama. Our threats to watch are also the same. Damaging straight line winds upwards of 60 to 65 miles per hour will be the greatest concern. There will be that chance, though, for a few spin-up tornadoes within that line of storms as it races across North Alabama. As far as the heavy rain threat, it's low. This is a quick-moving system, but it's still not out of the question if you see several rounds of heavier rain tomorrow night to maybe get into that 1 to 2 inch rainfall range. Here's more specific timing of when those storms will be in your backyard tomorrow night. Northwest Alabama, including the Quad Cities, down towards Russellville, Phil Campbell, Red Bay, Cherokee, 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. for those severe storms tomorrow night. Athens, Decatur, Moulton, Coleman, here in the metro, 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. Finally, northeast Alabama, Scottsboro, Guntersville, Fort Payne, down towards Gadsden, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. Saturday morning. I cannot emphasize enough, because this is an overnight event, it is even more important to have multiple ways to get those warnings so that you can be woken up Friday night as those warnings are issued. Future radar today is just fine. Plenty of sunshine. It's all quiet overnight tonight. Clouds start to move in early Friday morning, but you notice during the day on Friday we look pretty dry. This is going to be the main show. That line of storms developing in Arkansas by 5 o'clock tomorrow evening will race eastward as the evening progresses. Not only will we have to watch that line of storms, we'll have to watch any supercells in Mississippi that develop ahead of the line, as that could possibly enhance our tornado potential just a bit. The main threat, though, will be that damaging line of storms that arrives in the Shoals closer to midnight, pushes eastward as the night goes on. I do expect this line to weaken some as it pushes east of I-65, but everybody could still see those severe storms late tomorrow night. And then by sunrise Saturday morning, the severe threat is gone. And all in all, the rest of the weekend, or Saturday in particular, looks pretty good with plenty of sunshine, but another round of showers is on the table by Sunday. Stay with us on all of our platforms, here on air, online at waytv.com, and by downloading that Way 31 Storm Tracker weather app. We'll have constant updates for you for tomorrow night's storms. 7-day keeps us in the 70s through Monday, then down to the 60s by next Tuesday.